So inspiration comes from a lot of different places, and in the case of this week's video and my most recent purchase, I was trying to find a paint scheme for a Yanti, a snake person miniature that I'm painting. And I came across this video from Green Stuff World about color shifting paints. So I couldn't help myself and I bought a couple of sets. So this week I'm unboxing what I got and talking a little bit about them. Hey guys, what's going on? Michael here. So this week I have a unboxing video for you. I made a purchase from a company called Green Stuff World. There'll be a link down in the description below. It was the very first time that I've purchased from this company, and I have to say I'm really pleasantly surprised with the purchase and with the whole process altogether. So I was enamored by a YouTube video of these color shift paints, and I thought I have to give them a try. Namely, I have a Yanti, which I wanted to paint, but I can imagine quite a lot of uses for these metallics that shift from one color to another color. And they have an incredibly large range here. I've only just started experimenting with them, but I do know that for the best results you need to go over a glossy black base coat. And what I have found is that it's best not to layer these products. Stick with one color and build up multiple layers until you get the effect that you want. So I have had fairly good results so far, and you can expect to see me use these in some future videos where I'm actually painting miniatures. But if you have any questions in the meantime, make sure to leave them for me in the comments below. Hey, if you like these videos and want to help me keep making them, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button.